Creating a video ad in AdvertServe is actually really simple. It gets created almost exactly the same way as any other type of banner ad. To start, you're going to go to the media option over here and create new media. You can name it. We're going to call it My Video Ad. And you have to associate each media with a specific advertiser. So I'm going to pick this sample advertiser over here. And as you can see, we have the choice of graphic banner. And we're going to pick the drop down here and select video banner from the choices. Now you can see that all of these options, many different options, are all nested under banner. That's because AdvertServe treats them all exactly the same way. Don't confuse this with VAST, which is a more complex video ad that appears within a video player. These are just video banners that will appear on your website and play or autoplay exactly like a regular graphic banner or GIF or something like that. So you press video banner, and then of course you have to indicate what size it's going to be. So let's assume it's going to be a 300 by 250, and we're good to go. Now, the interesting thing here is because we've selected video banner, we have a few different options here that are a little bit different than if we had selected, let's say, just a regular banner. There's a few additional options because we're using video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press upload new video, and we're going to choose the file from our computer. We're going to go down here and select this video file for now. Again, this advertiser is associated with a specific advertiser, and here I have the option to take a screenshot automatically from the middle of the video for any time in which we have the thumbnail and somebody hasn't pressed play. Or you can specify to take a screenshot from a specific point in time. You press upload video, and the video gets uploaded, and actually sometimes can take some time to complete the upload. Okay, you will actually get emailed once the video is finished uploading. Bear in mind that there is an additional charge in AdvertServe for running video ads in addition to running a regular ad, and that is actually an alert about that at the bottom of the screen. I'll show you in a second. Because videos use additional bandwidth, you want to keep in mind to use as small a video as possible. You see down here, video bandwidth pricing. In North America and Europe, there's 0.03 cents per gigabyte, which is very low, but over time, if you're loading the ad thousands of times, you might end up with additional charges on your account. So then you press select upload video and gets added, and you can see that the URL has been added here, and then a PNG thumbnail has automatically been generated right below that. You have the option here to autoplay the video, and this is very oftentimes what you would want to do, but usually you would choose to have it muted so it doesn't interrupt people. Of course, you specify where you want to redirect people to. I'm going to actually just send people to AdvertServe for now. And I'm going to add them right into here. And when the video is finished rendering, it actually appears right into here. Now, in my specific example, I actually chose a video that is a different size than the actual square. And you'll see, once we load it, I'm going to refresh this page. Let's create media, and we might need to go back in here and edit it. So you can see here that in this case, it actually stretched the video a little bit to make it fit, or this actually video does fit properly. If it didn't, you can actually upload a background image that will be behind the video to help hide the way we want it to appear. You can add a button to the video. Click here, and you can style it as an overlay like this. You can actually drag and drop it like this and customize it a little bit to help style the video. If I want it on the bottom, I'm actually going to come down here like that and add the button down here. So just a little additional call to action that you can add at the bottom of your video to make it even more interactive. So those are the basics of creating a media for a video banner specifically for your campaign. Once that's done, you can then associate it with any campaign related to that advertiser, just like you normally would. So right now, this advertiser, Kaya Brown, does not have any campaigns, so you'd first have to go and create a campaign. There is a separate video on creating campaigns and AdvertServe with the usual parameters of targeting, all the stuff that you have the ability to do. And then when you're ready, you will actually associate that media with a specific campaign, and the video can start serving live on your website.